Hey everybody, this is Ron Kaufman, author of the New York Times best-selling book Uplifting Service, founder of the global education and consulting company Up Your Service. As you can see, I'm in a beautiful location. This is the Maldives in the Indian Ocean, doing some relaxing scuba diving with my wife Jen to get ready and get charged up for where I'm going next. Chicago, where the Service Council is organizing the 2018 Smarter Services Symposium, September 7, 8, and 9. Now, this is a gathering of the world's leading experts in customer service, customer experience, customer loyalty, where people come together to share, to learn through keynote speeches, breakout workshops, all kinds of panel discussions, and other special presentations. Now, this year is going to be very special because we also have a fireside chat with the Chief Executive Officer of one of the world's hottest luxury hospitality brands. It's called Lux Resorts, and that happens to be where I am right now. Paul Jones, the CEO, is featured in Harvard Business Review. I've worked with him for years. I know how he's done, what it is that they've created. We're going to bring you the inside story in Chicago. Now, who gathers for this event, this Smarter Services Symposium? Leaders, directors, C-suite professionals. More than 100 leading organizations will be there. And because there's such a wide range from so many different industries, give me a moment, I'm just going to read you the list. Abbott Diagnostics, Becton Dickinson, the Chicago Cubs, Comfort Systems, Cummins, Dassault, Dell, Farmers Insurance, Hitachi, Hewlett-Packard, Ingersoll Rand, Kone Elevators, Lazy Boy, Lexmark, Philips Healthcare, Pitney Bowes, Roche Diagnostics, Schneider Electric, Scientific Games, Siemens, Steris, ThyssenKrupp, Trane, Winnebago, and Xerox. That's just a sampling. More than 100 different organizations will be there. Imagine that combination of talent, experience, and ideas all coming together in just one location. Imagine the value that we're going to be creating as these people and companies come together to learn, to share, to create the future of smarter service. Now, I'll be at the event as the Master of Ceremonies and the opening keynote speaker, and I'll be doing that fireside chat with Paul Jones. This is a huge responsibility and a privilege because the theme this year is not about just efficiency or profitability. Those are important, but the theme of the 2018 Service Council Smarter Services Symposium is this: service is humanity, which is really what it's all about. Working together, living together, growing as people, growing as organizations, growing as human beings at a time in life when all of us need to take good care, take better care of our lives and of each other. Now, if you're coming to Chicago, I look forward to seeing you there. And if you're hearing about this for the very first time, you can learn more at servicecouncil.com. Servicecouncil.com. Remember, the theme this year is service is humanity. And that includes all of us, including me and including you. I look forward to seeing you there.